So today we just received our first shipment of Orcon Multibond. Orcon Multibond comes in 2 10-meter rolls. So you can see that in the packaging. This is pre-cured Orcon adhesive. So we could roll this out and use this, for example, onto our project here. In this example is our blockwork. We're pretending that's our slab edge, just to show you how we could stick our damp-proof course down to our slab edge and get a airtight, watertight seal straight onto our slab. So I've opened an Orcon Multibond, got our first 10-meter roll here. It's an incredibly sticky product, so it has got a high tack component to it, but it's pre-cured Orcon, so it will stay there for the life of the building. So we'll get that roll. I'm gonna stick this straight to the side of our slab, which we've got represented in blockwork here. Gonna roll this out. You'll see on this tape, we've already got, just like all of our other tapes, a release paper. So I'll roll this out, stick that to the side of our blockwork there. Just gonna cut this to length. Get our press fix. We never forget our press fix for any of our adhesives. Press straight onto the side of our blockwork. This could be rammed earth, could be blockwork, could be a bitumen product. Then we get our damp course. We can pull these couple of staples out, holding our damp course up. That could be a termite barrier. If you had a termite treated area, we could pull our termite barrier off. We're pulling our release paper off our Orcon, and you can see it's got an incredibly high tack. That's press fixed straight onto that surface. So see here, we've got our Orcon Multibond all the way along, representing our slab edge. And then we get our damp course, could be our termite barrier, press that straight onto that surface. We get our press fix and we press all the way through. Now that we've done the Orcon Multibond between the termite barrier or damp proof course and our slab edge, we now want to seal our X designer down to our damp course or termite barrier, whatever it is on your project. So I'm going to show you how that example takes place. We always have our overlap between our X designer straight down over our slab edge or over our subfloor, whatever that connection point is. And you'll see here, I'm sealing straight on to my damp course. I'll press that on. We've got our release paper in place. So now I'll just pull out these couple of staples, holding our X designer up to get good access. And then we can pull our release paper off our Orcon Multibond. Peel that all the way through. And we get our X designer straight down and we press fix straight on to our damp proof. So now we're fully wrapped up with our X designer. We've connected onto our damp proof course. We've connected onto our slab. We now have a durable building that's wind tight and watertight. So achieve those 1%ers by doing that next best thing. Seal onto your slab, seal to your damp proof course and to your termite barrier. Seal it up, do it well, do it once.